To post images, there are certain guidelines that should be followed. Images should be relevant to the topic of discussion. Advertising or inappropriate images are prohibited. To embed an image directly into a post, it is necessary to use the image tag. The syntax is as follows: begin image tag, image_URL, end image tag. To obtain the URL of an image, one can do the following. If getting it from a website, right-click on the image and select Copy Image Address or Copy Image URL. If getting it from a computer, upload the image to a file sharing service such as Imgur or Dropbox, then copy the URL from the image page. As an example, to post an image, use the code begin image tag, end image tag. The image must be hosted online for it to be displayed in the post. The webmaster may disable the image posting feature if it is misused.